What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to manually put your WordPress site into maintenance mode using cPanel's file manager. Now you may want to do this if you're updating plugins, installing a theme, migrating your site, or making changes that you don't want visitors to see. WordPress actually has a built-in maintenance system. All you have to do is create one small file to activate it, and because RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you file manager access, you can turn maintenance mode on or off in seconds, no plugins required. If you're not hosting with us yet, definitely check us out at RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing your WordPress site fast, reliable, and simple. Before we get into the steps, I'll mention that in our other tutorials, we've used File Manager for repairs, optimization, and security. This time, we're using it to temporarily hide your site while we work behind the scene. All right, let's move right into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, look for File Manager and open it. Navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed. For most users, this is going to be the public_HTML directory, unless it's inside of a subfolder. Now we're going to create a file that WordPress looks for whenever it's supposed to display maintenance mode. That file is named .maintenance, and it has to be spelled exactly like that, starting with a dot. To create it, click the File Plus button at the top left of File Manager. When the pop-up appears, type .maintenance as the file name and make sure you're not creating it inside of your WordPress root folder. Click Create New File to confirm. Once the file appears in your list, right-click it and choose Edit. If a warning pops up, just click Edit again to continue. Inside the editor, all you need to add is a single line of PHP. And here it is. This line activates WordPress's built-in maintenance mode. WordPress will ignore any custom TXT or HTML, so this one line is all that's required. After typing it, click Save Changes in the top right corner of the editor and close the tab. At this point, if you visit your site, you'll instantly see WordPress's default maintenance message, briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. That means maintenance mode is activated and your visitors won't see your site while you're working. You can continue accessing your WordPress admin normally. When you're finished, go back to the file manager, find the .maintenance file, right-click on it, and choose Delete. Confirm the deletion. As soon as the file is removed, your website comes back online immediately. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and disabled WordPress's maintenance mode using cPanel's file manager. This method works on all modern WordPress versions, and it's a clean, plugin-free way to temporarily hide your site while you're making updates. It's another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you full control over your website. With File Manager, you can turn maintenance mode off and on in seconds whenever you need it. If you're looking for reliable hosting with full cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this one. All right, that closes this one out. I'll see you in the next video.